our number is 32, right? Now 30 is telling us that we have 3 tens. So to place 30 into our place space, we're going to bring 3, 1, 2, 3 10 beads into our place space to represent 30. All right. Then we're going to bring in 2 other beads. Now we're not going to bring in green beads because those represent tens. We're going to bring in yellow beads because those represent bits. So we have 3 houses and 2 villagers. So we're going to bring in 1 and 2 like that. Now we're getting to the subtraction part. So an interesting thing about this game is that red takeaway pieces represent takeaways no matter what place value they're in. Red can be takeaway 100, takeaway 10, takeaway 1. It all depends on where you place them inside of the game. Okay, so we're going to, our next puzzle says takeaway 11. We're just going to deal with it one part at a time. So right now it says take away 10 out of the 11. We have 10, 1 here, so we need to take away the 10. To do that, we're just going to bring 1 takeaway piece into the place space. That's all we have to do. No need to rewrite our numbers just yet. We're going to do that later. We just need to place it for now. Now we need to do the second half, which is for the bits, take away 1 from the 10, 1, and we're just going to bring another takeaway piece and bring it right here next to the yellow bits. Okay. Now, if you're not familiar with zero pairs, we have some other videos that go over that I would highly advise you watch. But the gist of zero pairs is that whenever a place piece and a takeaway piece are in the same space, they combine and cancel each other out to form a zero pair and become invisible. All right, that's why they typically disappear like that and become 0. But for now, we're still going to leave them here so we can keep track of them. All right. And the same rules apply for the tens, houses of 10, and the 10 beads as it applies to the bits. So we're going to combine this place 10 and this takeaway 10 together, and they're going to form a 0 pair, and then they can all disappear. All right. So now we're left with our answer. And when we have no more takeaway pieces, then we're done with our puzzle. And now we can see our answer. So our answer is 2 tens and 1 21.